In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix 0x80070091. The directory is not empty error. First thing you want to do is you want to go to this PC and find the path where this directory is located. So let's say if it's here, you have a folder you can't delete. So what you can do is go to this path where the drive is, right click, go to properties, tools, and check for errors. Now, sometimes if you click here, it will basically fix any errors that you're having and your issue is solved. However, if you're still having issues, go to CMD, right click, and run as administrator. Now here, what you're gonna do is write some commands. So first command is DISM cleanup. So write this down, DISM online cleanup image, restore health, and press enter. Now second command is SFC/scan now and press enter. And once it's done, you can close this down. Next, you want to go to task manager, run as administrator. So, or you can just open it normally, like just task manager, open it normally. What you're gonna do here is you want to see if there's any background folders running in that folder you're trying to delete. So what you're going to do is simply make sure there's no background folders, background softwares. If there is, just end the task, find it and end the task. So you could also see the details here. These folders are basically linked to the processes that are happening here. So you can see, and if you notice any folder that is like inside of that folder running, you simply want to end the task so you can be able to delete it. And once you do this and you're still having issues, you can try to restart your computer and hopefully this fixes your issue.